Meet Big Blue Buddy. He is a strong monster truck with giant soft tires. He loves quiet mornings resting in his cozy, sunlit garage before he starts his day. What a happy truck. Suddenly, Buddy spots something tiny and bright rolling down the paved path just outside the door. It is a bouncy, bright red ball that must have gotten lost from its owner nearby. Buddy knew he must be extra careful not to crush it. He slowly rolled his big, soft front tire, gently nudging the little red ball back up the hill towards safety. Around the corner, a small, sad brown puppy wearing a little green cap was looking everywhere for his favorite toy. Buddy stopped and offered the ball back with a quiet, gentle rumble. The puppy barked with glee. Buddy showed him that even big, strong trucks can play softly. They bounced the ball together side by side, careful not to crush a single blade of grass. Helping a small friend felt wonderful, better than jumping high or roaring loud. Big Blue Buddy smiled, knowing that being gentle is the strongest, kindest power of all.